Hey guys, welcome to the third part of our tutorial. So in this part, we are going to see how to do the very first drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, imagine you are asked to do this drawing. Okay, so where do we start? The first thing we do is examine the drawing, where to start. Then we go to line command. Okay, click at the line command tool. Then let's first of all start with this line. Okay, this line measuring from the central point of the circle to the bottom of this rectangle. Okay, so that line obviously measures 10. Okay, it measures 10. So we'll come to the center here and we'll click at a specific point. Then we type in 10. Press enter. Automatically have it there, and then press escape. Then secondly, let's do this circle. This circle here is, it got a radius of 1, okay, of 1 unit. So go to circle command, we specify the point, then we go in down to radius. Okay, we go to radius, click at radius, and you type in 1 and enter. Okay, then secondly, we do the second circle. This one is bigger and the radius is 2. Excuse me, the radius is 2. So from this center to here is 2. So if from here to here is 1, and from here to here and from here to here is 2, that means from here to here will be 1 as well. So we go to offset. Okay, then we type in, go to offset, then we specify 1, enter, then we click out and press escape. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is we see how to draw this line. Okay, let's draw these lines and these lines. Okay, this line, this line, this line, and this line. So we go to offset this line from the middle. Okay, from the middle, because from here to here is 2, so from the middle to either side it's going to be 1. So we go to offset, we type in 1 and enter. Okay, so we got 1 to the right, 1 to the left. Then again, from here to here, which is from here to here, is going to be 1. So we continue with our 1. Okay, continue with the 1 that is already there, and we click. So press escape. Then let's delete this baseline. Okay, this is the beginning line. Let's erase. Then the second thing we want to do now is to see this part, the whole of this part formed. Okay, so we go here. This is an arc of radius 4. So imagine you got a complete circle over here. Okay, so this arc is of radius 4. So if from center to this point is 2, then from this point to here will also be 2 to make it 4. So we go to offset, enter 2, because from here to here will be 2. So we type in 2 and press enter. Then make an offset outward to have that. You press escape or enter. Then now we go to trim tool. Okay, press enter, then we trim. This part is not needed. trim. This part is not needed, this one is not needed, this one is not needed, this one, and this one. Okay, so we press escape. So now we got this part. Okay, you see now that we got this part here in full form. So what we need to do next is, let's go down, we draw this line at this end, okay, and this one at this end, okay, the ends of it. Okay, from here to here it's going to be 5. Okay, so we go to offset. Okay, we type in 5, we press enter key, then we do the offset to the right, we press escape. Then this distance from here, from this line to this one, is going to be 3.5. okay, 3.5. so we go to offset again, type in 3.5, press enter, and we do our offset left one. Okay, now let's see how to form this line at the bottom. Okay, we'll go to the line command. It's gonna snap here at the end point and snap at this other point. Press escape key to exit. Then we see now that this one from here to here, to make this triangle from here to here, it's gonna be 2. Okay, so we'll go to our offset. It's 2. This 2 here. We'll go to our offset and type in 2, enter, and we take it up. Okay, now let's trim the unnecessary. So go to trim, enter, and we'll trim. Okay, we trim because this place is free, so we trim. Okay, now what do we do? What do we need to do next? So you go now to you come now here and you adjust. You come now here, you adjust. You put it at tangent. For this line to snap at tangent. Okay, then let's uncheck. Okay, we check tangent. Okay, so we go to the line tool, so automatically it snaps here at tangent. Okay, then we come to this point. Let's reactivate this part back. Okay, this end point and mid point. Okay, so that you can snap here. So that click escape, then trim tool. We forgot to trim these other lines, so we press enter to trim this line and to trim this line. They are not needed. Okay, so now the next thing we need to do very quickly is to form this arc here, this arc and this arc. And how do we do this? We are going to use the fillet command. Okay, we go to fillet tool, enter fillet. The radius here is 1 and this other radius is 1, so we select the first point, then we go down to radius, then we type in 1 and we press enter. Okay, then we come up the second point and here you have your fillet. Okay, then we go back to fillet, click, specify the first point, second point, and that's it. Then to do this one, okay, the radius here is 2. The radius here is 2, just that the drawing is too small. The radius here is 2, so we go back to fillet. Okay, specify the first, then we go to radius, type in 2 and enter. So now second point and click. That is going to be 2. So now you see that the rest of the line here has been deleted. So you go back quickly to the line command, then you join this line, escape, go back to line command, tap here and join this other line. So what is left? Okay, these two holes, these two circles. So how do we do them? Okay, what we need to do is we activate the center, then we go back to circle. Okay, so that it's going to snap at the center. So that is, this will be our first point. Sorry, snap at the center, we click there. Okay, then what is the radius? The radius here is 0.7. So we come down here, enter a radius of 0.7, enter. Okay, automatically you have your circle. Then how do we do it this way? We do the same? No, we go now to, what we need to do now is we go to the mirror tool. Go to mirror tool, then you press enter. Sorry, when you go to mirror tool, you select the object, then you press enter. Okay, so you come here, automatically it snaps here at the middle. So you left click and let go, then you have the mirror image. Okay, you press no, that's it. So you have your mirror image here. Okay, I see for now our drawing is completed. Okay, for now our drawing is completed. In the next tutorial, part 4, we are going to do dimensioning and plotting our drawing to PDF. So hey guys, thanks. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.